The first strategy that I would like to show you is the distributive property of multiplication. Okay, so for this problem, this strategy of multiplication, it does help me to see the formula. So the formula says A times B equals A times B plus C equals A times B plus A times C. As a student in third, fourth grade, I don't think I ever recall being taught or thinking about breaking apart a larger number into two smaller numbers to help me multiply it. Using the standard algorithm was the only way I remember multiplying. Forgive me if you are a former teacher of mine and you're looking at this thing, I did teach you that. I don't recall that in elementary school. So the way you're going to do this strategy is, let's say you have a problem in front of you, such as 3 times 43. Now the way I used to attack that was line it up in a standard algorithm and just go for it. I did not think about breaking it apart into smaller numbers. So with this strategy, we're going to use a number bond. Number bonds start in about first grade, so hopefully your student is familiar with that. And I'm going to think, what are some friendlier numbers I can break this 43 down into that will help me? So I know that 40 and 3 make 43. So now I'm going to say, so I started with this strategy, now I'm going to this part of the formula. I'm going to say 3 times 40 plus 3 equals x. Now this is called the distributive property because we're going to distribute or share the 3 between both of the 40 and the 3. So I'm going to change the color so we can see better what we're doing. Okay. So I'm going to distribute the 3 to the 40. Oop, that's a fun one. And then I'm going to say 3 times 40 plus, and now I'm going to distribute the 3 to the 3. Three times 3. Okay. And as you can see, those two numbers match what I've done over here, equals x. I move this up a little bit. Now I'm going to multiply what is inside of the brackets. So I have 3 times 40 equals 120 plus 3 times 3 equals 9. And now equals x. And now all I have to do is add together 120 plus 9, which is 129 equals x. And that is the distributive property of multiplication, breaking down a larger number into two smaller numbers to help us multiply. So that maybe we can do this using mental math instead of needing a pencil and paper every time.